Little tip on drawing a sheet metal part with transitions in it, radii. So we go from a straight line to a radius. So hold and drag the button, and then hold the button, go back to the point, and it transitions into an arc. Then straight line, and then by going back again, you get the arc back. So it's a quick way to draw a sheet metal part, or at least a sketch for a sheet metal part that has arcs in it. As you can see here, this is not tangent, so the start is tangent but not the ending. So you have to add those back in. That's not a problem at all. Again, the start is tangent automatically, the end is not. But that's a quick little way to avoid clicking extra buttons and make a quick, smooth transition. Don't forget to subscribe.